How are leaders managing the legal and reputational risks of DEI? Most leaders remain committed to diversity, equity, and inclusion strategies, but legal challenges, political polarization, and public criticism have prompted many to adjust their language, to redefine objectives, scale back, expand, or even eliminate initiatives. So how are leaders navigating the changing climate and staying committed to DEI initiatives? Savvy leaders view the current socio-political climate as an opportunity to reset diversity efforts and rebuild trust, and they're doing it by revising the terms used to describe DEI initiatives, aligning DEI efforts with business goals, and ensuring fair opportunity and access to all workers, not just to protected groups. They're also reviewing their DEI structures, initiatives, outcomes, and communications with legal and risk management experts to modify efforts and language that appear to support preferential treatment for any group. I'm Alan Schweier, and this has been your CEO Insight Minute.